Unlock the upper right corner to enter the main page. Select Switch Accounts in the settings and enter the password to 113 to enter the administrator interface. Frequent cleaning and starting is not recommended. It is recommended to quick boot during maintenance, and the same applies to cleaning shutdown. When the nozzle is clogged, frequently turn on and turn off the ink supply valve to eject the ink line to clear the nozzle. When the nozzle is clogged, execute this function and squeeze the solvent into the nozzle to observe whether the solvent is sucked into the exhaust pipe. The ink line is crooked. Execute this function to make the ink line appear for adjusting the ink line. You can also adjust the ink line manually. Clean the nozzle to detect whether the machine cleaning function is normal or perform nozzle cleaning after long-term shutdown. Drain the ink in the ink core into the ink bottle. At this time, you need to place the ink extraction tube to the empty bottle. Draw the ink from the ink bottle into the ink core, and it will stop automatically when it reaches the middle position. Ink circulation exhaust. This function can be performed before the first ink extraction and start up, or when the nozzle is clogged and nozzle cleaning is ineffective. The impurities can be removed by circulation. When the whole machine needs to be cleaned, this function is executed. The ink extraction tube needs to be placed in the solvent. 700 milliliters of solvent is extracted first, and then the ink core is circulated and cleaned, and finally discharged back into the solvent bottle.